Here is how you can plan an entire month of content in 3 days. Let's say you have 3 days on your hand to create a month of content. Ask yourself, how much content do you want to create? Do you want to create daily content or every second day or like 4 times a week? Think about that first, and then we're going into day one. Day one is all about ideating. Here's where you come up with ideas. You're going to go through all your old notes that you on the train were like writing down like a crazy person and already forgot about. You're going to go through all your TikTok and Instagram saves. You're going through your YouTube history. You're going through wherever you have put ideas down, your notebook, and of course, your mind. Think about the idea behind the content. What kind of content do you want to create for the month? Write it all out, and then in that first day, you gather ideas and you create a board of inspiration. That board of inspiration looks different for everyone. So for me, I really like to use Pinterest because there I can use an inspiration board, kind of pick and choose ideas of things that I've seen and that I really want to create and adjust to my style. And then I can also already put the color theme and the emotion, the feeling that I want behind my content on a board. So if you, by the way, are on Pinterest, make sure that you follow me. I really use that as a creative outlet to ideate and bring together ideas that may help you as well. That first day, what you're also doing is from those ideas and from that Pinterest and inspiration board, whatever you're choosing to do, you are going to funnel down what kind of mediums and platforms you want to play in. Medium meaning the format of your content. Do you want written content, blogs? Do you want swipe throughs on Instagram? Do you want to create a YouTube video, a TikTok video, any kind of video content? Do you want to create podcast content or audio content? Whoosh! Show you what's going on. Like, what is this? The sun is going down, so I had to like turn up the light from my computer so you can still see me. So you have that medium, you have the format, and then also the platform. What kind of platform do you want to play in? Do you want to focus on LinkedIn, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, your website, your podcast? What kind of platform do you actually want to focus? You can choose different platforms, of course. Just what you want to do is make sure that the first day you think about all the ideas and you structure them. Day 2 is all about creating the content. That means you're going to shoot the videos, you're going to write the blog posts, you're going to record the podcast episodes. It's going to be a full day of full-on makeup, full-on like hydrating so you can communicate and talk to a camera, talk to your microphone, or write down things. So you really want to get into that zone of creating. If you're working full-time or you're studying, use a weekend to do that and just turn off all your notifications because you want to focus on creating the content the entire day. Listen, you have 24 hours that eventually you're going to use about 10 hours to actually do stuff. That is a lot of content you can produce. Day 3 is all about editing and scheduling. Basically self-explanatory. If you're creating video content, there's much more editing behind it, of course, than if you're just writing a blog or recording a podcast. But you want to make sure that you edit it and you create the marketing formats for it. So if you, for instance, are editing a YouTube video, make sure that you already edit your thumbnails. If you're shooting a podcast episode, make sure that you write the description and you already schedule it into the app. You actually, during the month, have nothing to do other than wait for your content to come out. Of course, in some platforms like Instagram, scheduling is not as easy as on Facebook or YouTube or even your podcast, but it's going to be fine because all you want to make sure is that after 3 days, you have your content ready, and when it's time to post, you just have to click publish. If you love this video, please make sure that you like and subscribe and share this with someone who needs to hear this. And I'll see you next time. Assalamu alaikum.